What's up, you guys? This is Steven, the KC Rail fan here. So before I start this video, I want to apologize that I have not done videos for about a few weeks now because I've been on spring break vacation to Hawaii. So I do apologize for not making videos. So I'm now just making this video because I recently just got back today and I have a new locomotive that I recently pre-ordered from ScaleTrains. This is the brand new release. This is the EMD SD40T-2, also known as Tunnel Motors. And my example here is the Rio Grande, and this is the as-built. So I think I hear these logos are really nice, and I was really glad I got to order one because I do love the Tunnel Motors. They're really nice locomotives, and it could be perfect because I recently also picked up a locomotive that I've never mentioned in my videos. This is the Southern Pacific B39-8. It's an Atlas locomotive, so we're going to pair it up and see how it runs. So, without further ado, well, I'm going to be skipping the unboxing because you probably know what it's like. So, and then, yeah, so let's get on with it. Alright, I just got the locomotive out of the box, so I'm just going to get a quick overview of it. So, just see what it looks like. It's pretty stunning. And one more thing, when you take the locomotive out of the box, I would not recommend you pick it up from here because this thing can like slide off and such. So just want to let you guys know. So just want to get a quick overview before I begin the review. So it looks really nice. So let's set her on the tracks and begin the review. Alright, so starting off, so the locomotive's got some very fine detail. It's got correctly painted handrails, it's got MU hoses, the ScaleTrains knuckle couplers. There are no ditch lights on this locomotive because this is an as-built, so this is more like probably since like the 80s or so on. And ScaleTrains said that probably for the second run they'll probably add ditch lights on the second run of Tunnel Motors. So up here they got a nice Sinclair antenna, some sunshades, horn. I believe that's a P3, I think. And in the windows, I think they slide. The windows do slide. Hang on. You can see lots of fine detail. Fan details really nice. Paint jobs really nice, and also this is also see-through. You can see, super nice. I really like how they add see-through detail, like on the grills. It's super cool. For the rib and step detail is also see-through. Really nice detail. And yeah, I really like the marker lights and the second pair of headlights and the windshield wipers, everything. Fuel tank detail and truck detail is really nice. And I'm pretty sure that this locomotive probably does not have the rotating bearing caps because since this is like a 1980s locomotive. So we'll change direction. So this is the conductor section. Look, there's lots of fine detail here. Everything, the road number detail 53, 56, everything. And here's the backside detail. Backside detail is really nice. I love the orange striping and everything. ME hoses, knuckle skin couplers. There's no rear ditch lights, and they also have the marker lights. Everything, super nice locomotive. Everything. So now, let me turn her around one more time and give it over. Go. See how it runs. So here it is. It runs absolutely really fine for a DCC ready locomotive. So I just noticed that the rear headlights actually don't light up. Oh, actually they do. Never mind. And the marker lights also light up as well. It's just that the nose headlight on this doesn't light up for a DCT ready locomotive. You can see. Ooh, I just love the marker lights. They light up. Really cool. So After all, I think this is a really good locomotive for any of you who model in like the 1980s through 90s, because I model 1990s and present in modern era. So I thought this would be a cool locomotive because I've been watching lots of videos of like tunnel motors, like such as like Southern Pacific and Rio Grande, like around the Tehachapi Pass and the Cajon Pass. Those are really nice. And I thought this would be a perfect locomotive because I actually do love Rio Grande and Southern Pacific. It's one of my favorite monoplax. So, after all, and also I think this locomotive was also great for any of those who model the Wheeling and Lake Erie, since there's two Rio Grande SD40T-2s now owned by the Wheeling and Lake Erie. So, after all, I must say ScaleTrains did a really excellent job with this locomotive, and I definitely will try and get Southern Pacific sometime if it's possible. Or the next locomotive I might get would probably be the Progress Rail SD70, since that Aston Genesis recently released. Has like more modern power. So, after all, awesome locomotive. Great job. Kudos to ScaleTrains. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave you guys with a run by of this SD40T-2, and I will see you next time. Bye.